But first up, to the English rugby team's Samoan connection, Manu Tuilangi.
Now, as we all know, most Samoan rugby players aspire to either play for Manu Samoa or the All Blacks.
That's right, but Swanake Aholele meets the talented player who not only plays for England, but is beginning to sound rather English.
Here's Tuilangi.
For England, he's their weapon of choice. But for the All Blacks, he could be public enemy number one. That's because 2 years ago, Manu Tuilangi tore apart the ABs at Twickenham.
No one thought we could win that game, and I'd say it's all about belief. We had that mentality, just go out there and got nothing to lose, and it's a great day for England all around.
The 23-year-old from Samoa may wear the English rose on the field, but his Pacific roots are still close to his heart.
After this tour, I'll go back and see my family in Samoa, and they miss us most of the times when we're away, and especially my mum. Every time she goes like, "Are you okay? Is your body okay?" And even if you're not okay, you just say, "Mum, I'm all right."
And no doubt when Manu's home, he still enjoys the taste of the Pacific.
My favourite is taro with corned beef and povi masimba.
Manu is the youngest of 7. 5 of his older brothers have all played for Manu Samoa, and he is the only one who's chosen to play for England.
They support me 100%. It's a massive opportunity for me, and a massive honour just to be able to play for England.
And while growing up in Samoa, young Manu not only looked up to his brothers,
Quick hands to Tuilangi. They won't stop him. The Leicester locomotive.
but he aspired to be like one of rugby's greats.
I was Jonah Lamu, just running over people, and he just wanted to play like him,
So Manu's been selected to play in the first test. And if he can recapture any of that form from the last time England beat the All Blacks, the ABs might find themselves in a bit of trouble.
He's an exceptionally powerful ball carrier, and we're working on other areas of his game as well. So he is an important player for us, and having him back in the side is a boost to the side.
Oh, he just carves them out, big Manu!
And Manu is also gunning for the ABs to play in Samoa.
No, I'm sure it'll be great for the game, especially Samoa. The people will absolutely love it.
And with the Rugby World Cup in 2015 just around the corner, Manu is concentrating on the game at hand.
We know how important this game is. First one, massive challenge. New Zealand, they're the best in the world, number one. So, we know how big it is, and we just look forward to it.